Alright guys, so we're heading to Bowling Green right now for Import Alliance. It's currently 7:48. We've been up since 5:30ish, at least I've been up since 5. My girlfriend woke up at 5:30 and we were just getting her car ready. Alright guys, I'm not very good at explaining things before I record them, so here's a clip of me cleaning my girlfriend's car the day before the event. Because my Camaro was built in Canada, so it's still technically domestic. Well, it is a domestic. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys when we get there. Alright guys, we just made it to Kentucky. We're about 15 minutes away from, Owensboro, which is about an hour-ish away from Bowling Green, where we're going for Import Alliance. I'll see you guys when we get there. Alright guys, so we just made it to Import Alliance. We walked around for a good, what, 3 hours, 2 hours? Got here at
5.
Oh god, it's 1:30. I guess it's 12:30 here. We got here 9:30. We waited in line for 30 minutes until they opened up the gate, and then we waited in line again for 40 minutes until we actually got into the event. Watched some drifting, watched a little bit of drag racing, and then we walked around. It is full. I'm actually gonna go out and take a video in a little bit after we eat because we are starving. Roll down your window, Timmy. So how does it feel to be in the seat of a drag racing car?
You see.
What are the numbers you are expecting? High 10s? Low 5s?
Absolutely not. High 14s, hopefully.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Oh, he's fucked. There he is. Dude,
Did you see my time?
I did see your time. It was 15:09.
Not bad. That's all.
But did you have fun?
Yeah, that was a lot of fun. I wish
What was your high speed? Your max speed?
89?
Nice, 89 and a quarter.
I
When did
would've
VTEC kick in?
Huh?
When did the VTEC kick in? Alright, we're gonna go chill. Are you gonna go again?
Yeah, I'm gonna go get it.
Alright, we're gonna go chill for a bit.
Purchase your tracks today.
All right, guys, we just ended day 1. We're leaving early today. Timmy drag raced for the first time. Guy, what was your fastest?
15.9.
A 15.9 in his 2002, 2001 Acura TL. Ooh, Supra. CL. So it's a 2-door with a VTEC. But yeah, I don't know what else. I don't know how to do
Very
YouTube.
slow for a CL.
It is very slow. I don't know how to do YouTube outros. Do we just like